What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be out with our old Driveshaft Safety Loop and in with our new one from Stifflers, so stay tuned to see how we install it. Alright guys, so here are the package contents that you're going to receive. The trans mount will vary depending on the transmission you have. But let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm going to be removing these two bolts right here. There's one on each side. And then I'm going to be jacking the trans up, removing these two bolts under here. And then removing the trans mount. Alright guys, so it was a little bit of a struggle bus moment for me here doing this on the ground, but you're going to put your trans mount here first, and then you're going to take the Driveshaft Safety Loop and line it up on top, and then you're just going to take this bolt here and just kind of hand turn it for now. So that's one side, and then you're just going to do the same thing on the other side here. Now that you have it in here with the two bolts in here lightly on each side, then you'll just take your wrench and tighten it up. Alright, so once you have this trans mount mounted in, you're going to take these two bolts here. I already started this one, and then you're just going to start the other. And then after we basically start this, you're going to want to lower the trans and then tighten it up. Alright guys, so the last thing we have to do is bolt in this loop portion up here. So you're going to have 4 bolts, 2 on each side. I've already started these 2, and then I have one in over here. So we're going to put in the last one. And then once you have it in, you'll put washers on the outside of here, and then some nuts, and basically that's it. Alright guys, so Stifflers does it again with another awesome product here. Their installation was relatively easy. It literally bolted right in, no drilling or welding required. Please make sure you're always being safe when installing these parts and you're reading the instructions thoroughly. Next, I will be installing their steel braided brake line kit, so I'm excited to do that. And as always guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye!